Good day and welcome to Pamati Tutorial. Makinig, manood at matuto. Okay? Ang video natin ngayon ay tungkol sa multiplication of rational algebraic expression. Okay, here are the steps in multiplying rational algebraic expression. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, factor out both numerator and denominator, simplify to its lowest term. Okay, example we have here a over b times c over d. Simply, numerator is a and c, denominator b and d. We'll multiply both numerator a times c over the denominator b times d. Ayan. Okay, these are the steps. Let's have here our first example. 6n over 10n times 4n over 10n cubed. We will multiply this one. First, multiply. Okay. Multiply this one. We need to multiply. Yan, multiply tayo. 6 times 4, 24. N times n is n squared. Then, multiply both new denominator. 10 times 10, 100. N times n is n raised to 4. Then simplify 24 and 100. Okay, simplify, we have 24 and 100. Let's divide this one by 4. Okay, 24 divided by 4 is 6. Then n squared, n raised to 4. If we will simplify that one, wala na tayong n sa baba. Then 100 divided by 4, because their common factor is 4. Yan. Then we will have here 100 divided by 4 is 25. Then n squared over n raised to 4. Okay, then minus 2. We have here n raised to 2 or n squared. Okay, and this is already the simplified one. 6 over 25 n raised to 2 or n squared. Okay, second example, multiply. Okay, we will multiply 2 times 15. We have here 30. Then t times t, we have t squared. Next, 5 times 8t squared, multiply. 5 times 8 is 40. Then t squared. Okay, then after that 30 over 40, 30 over 40, simplify, their common factor is 10. Therefore we have here 3 over 4. Okay, common factor is 10. T squared over t squared, cancel out. Okay, that is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. And simplified one is 3 over 4. Okay, that is our two examples. Let's have another example. 3x over x squared plus 2x times 4x over 2. Simply multiply first our numerator. 3 times 4 is 12. X times x is x squared. Yan. Then, multiply our denominator. Ganito muna ito yung gagawin natin. 2, then x squared plus 2x. Yan. Multiply muna natin para mas klaro. Okay. Then, after that, we have here 12x squared. Multiply by distributive property. 2 times x squared. Multiply that one. Multiply. We have here 2x squared. Next, by distributive property, multiply. You have 4x. Then, you will have 12x squared over the common factor is 2x. Therefore, so that then 2x. Then the factor of this 2x squared plus 4x, common factor is 2x. We have here x plus 2. Okay. Then simplify. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Then x squared over x is x over, okay, na-divide na yan. It becomes 6. This one, it becomes 1. Therefore, you have x plus 2. And this would be the answer. Okay, another example. We will have here b minus 2 all over b minus 1 times b plus 9 times b minus 1 all over b plus 9 times b minus 2. Okay, on this part, kasi naka-factored out nito, mas madali sa atin yung cancellation method. Okay, cancel lang natin yung numerator at saka yung denominator. Isa sa numerator, isa sa denominator. Tulad nito, b plus 9 and b plus 9. Okay, they have the same term, therefore cancelled out. It means 1. Meron din tayo b minus 2 dito sa denominator, b minus 2 cancelled out. Okay, we have here 1, 1, 1, and 1. Next, b minus 1 dito is b minus 1 when we cancel out, and 1 and 1. Simply 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. Then 1 over 1 is 1. Okay, that is for cancellation method. Kapag may magkapareho tayo, we need to do the cancellation method. Another example, we have here 4n minus 24 all over n minus 6 times 1 over n minus 9. Unang gagawin natin, i-factored out natin para alam natin kung meron ba tayong i-cancel. Okay, tulad dito, 4n minus 24. Simply, their common is 4. Then, n minus 6. That is their common factor. Then, n minus 6 times 1 over n minus 9. Okay? Then, n minus 6 at saka n minus 6, cancel natin. Meron na tayong natira. 4 times 1 is 4 over, okay, 1. Meron tayo dito 1. 1 times n minus 9 is n minus 9. And that would be our product. Last example tayo. Example number 6. 5m squared minus 13m plus 8 all over m plus 7 times 1 over 5m minus 8. Unang gagawin natin, we need to factor this. Okay, i-factor muna natin siya. Sana alam niyo na kung paano yung mag-factor. Okay, factor natin 5m minus 8. Then we have here m minus 1. Yan ang factor ng 5m squared minus 13m plus 8. Then we have m minus 7 times 1 over 5m minus 8. Okay, 5m minus 8 and 5m minus 8, cancel natin. Okay, meron tayo dito natira. M minus 1 times 1 is m minus 1 over, okay, m minus 7 times 1 is m minus 7, and that would be the product of 5m squared minus 13m plus 8 all over m minus 7 times 1 over 5m minus 8 is m minus 1 all over m minus 7. Thank you for watching Pamati Tutorial. Makinig, manood, at matuto. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share, and follow me on my Facebook page, Matalino. Thank you.